Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate and get the most out of your course on Kajabi. First, you'll need to log into your Kajabi account. Use the email and password you registered with. Once logged in, you should be directed to your library. Here it shows the course in the library. If you have multiple items like I do, then select the correct one. Find the course you want to start and click View Product. Now it takes you to the overview page where you'll be able to see all the material listed here. When you're ready to begin, click on the Start Course button. This will take you to the first lesson, starting with MCAD's recommended resources and reading material. Here is the introduction, and in case you missed the first lecture, this includes the pre-recorded video and the Q&A session. From there, it takes you to the rest of the lessons. Just click in each lesson here. As you go through each lesson, make sure to mark them complete once you have a full understanding of the material. This helps you keep track of your progress. If you notice here, here's the progress bar. There will be quizzes for each week to help with remembering the content and assignments that we highly encourage you to participate in. If you want to get your assignment projects reviewed each week to be sure you're grasping the material, turn your assignments in the MCAD Community Circle under Design Layout. So I'll show you how to go there. So go back, go to your library, click View Products. Here you're in the MCAD Community. Down here, Fire Sprinkler Community. Here's announcements, introduce yourself, Q&A sessions, other topics, and then here's the design layout. So click that. And if you're feeling like you're not grasping the material, take advantage of our open office hours to get help. Here's where it says here, if you click under feed, it shows you upcoming meetups. If you click on meetups, it shows you all the open office hours. So this Sunday at 9 to 11 is open office or Q&A sessions. And then Monday's schedule, Tuesday, Thursday, gives you all the other ways to get help. Now, if you need more one-on-one, we can set up a meeting on Saturday with Colby. Just message me. Also, each week there will be, each week on Wednesdays, we will release new content. So stay updated and make the most of your learning journey. That's it. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out, and happy learning.